Hi everyone, hello people from all over the planet. You are on my Booster Motivation. My name is George. I'm the host on this channel. My Booster Motivation is the best YouTube channel in the world that offers free life coaching training session, streaming live on this platform every single day. So anytime you get a chance to stop by, you will always find us talking about money or to be successful. In this platform, we work with people, teach them two things: how to become successful, how to make money. We know it's important for you to be successful, as we know it's important for you as well to have money, to get access to money, because money is the most valuable commodity that you will use to help you climb the ladder of success. So that's why we put a lot of emphasis and teach you how to be successful, how to make money. So our video on demand, we got hundreds of videos on this channel. If you're not a subscriber yet, it's time for you to subscribe, that you can receive alert notification anytime we got new video coming out, and hit the notification bell button that you can receive any new video anytime we put new live coaching training session like this one out. So in today's video, we got people from all over the planet, different continents, from Africa, Asia, from the Middle East, from Singapore, people from the Caribbean, from South America. Many people are asking one question: what is money? Okay, so we will very quick produce this video to explain to you why money, what is money, okay, what you have to do with money, what is the value of money in your life. Okay, money is actually, money is nothing else than a vessel that many people use to navigate themselves in life. So money allows you to transfer goods, product, and services from one hand to another hand, from the person who on the product or the service, or the person who product the product or the service, and transfer this good to the other side who have the need for the product or the service. Money, it's a vessel that allow you to do exchange value. So money in itself have no value, but what money contribute to do bring value to money. That's mean if you have corn and I don't have corn, but I have wheat, and you need to eat bread, and I have a need for corn, so I can give you wheat and you can give me corn. That's the way people used to trade on in the past. So because of the volume of the trade, now sometime, okay, I know you are a corn producer, okay, and you don't have corn ready yet. I still give you wheat. So when your corn will be ready, you will pass it to me. But I need something, okay? I need a social engagement that you will deliver the corn to me. So money will become a paper, and that is give you the warranty that when you will have corn, you will pass it to me. So vice versa. Money being born like that. Money allow people to put a note of guarantee that you will deliver the product or the service at the time due, in order to respect our agreement. So in the beginning, money was used to be a promissory note. That means a note, a paper that somebody wrote down and said, I will give you this. After that, money become a money. Many people at that time leave one area to another one. They don't respect the promissory note. They ask for token. That's when you give something in warranty. That can be a piece of gold, a piece of metal. So when you deliver the product or the service, you get your token back. And along the years, money become currency, and now you get the paper that you have in your hand. So why we use money? We use money to exchange good product and services in the marketplace. But why you have to work for money? Can money bring you happiness? Money will not bring you happiness. Money can give you a comfortable life, but happiness is depend of your relationship with other people. If you've been living in this world recently during the pandemic, you will see for many society and where the government provide people assistance, people have a lot of money, and they couldn't have access to good, and that was one of the period of time where people are more frustrated, that people are more stressed, so they couldn't have interaction with other people, so they didn't feel happy. Some people choose suicide as an option during this period of time. So the problem wasn't money, the problem was interaction with people. So money can make you have a comfortable living, but if you have a comfortable living, you don't have interaction, you don't share emotion with other people, you will not feel happiness. So this is what we have to share with you. We will produce more video talking about money, but for the time being, we teach you how to become successful, how to make money, but we have to tell you on the first hand, money is not happiness. You can have a lot of money and you are a very stressful person. You live a life with a lot of stress. The other aspect of money, money is not meant to stay at the one level. That's when if you got money, you keep your money on a safe on a place like that, money will disintegrate, deteriorate. Money have to be circulated. Money have to move from one hand to another hand. Money have to be used to create, produce good service and create wealth, produce wealth. Money have to be increased, multiply and divide, multiply and share with other people. That's what money have to do. So the money that you have in your hand must circulate to go in other people's hand. So in terms of your relationship with money, this is the most important thing. If your the only relationship you got with money is spending with money, it's like you have a wife or you have a husband, the only thing you do in your relationship is sex. So it will not be a wealthy relationship. If you just spend your money, it will not be a wealthy relationship. If you just stack money and saving, it will not be a wealthy relationship as well, because money have to circulate to provide other goods, other product or service to other people. That money will increase, have more value. Though that's mean your relationship with money should be a relationship of attention, should be a relationship of respect, should be a relationship of increase. So you should find a way to increase your money, to put your money at service of others, that you can have more and multiply your money. Keep in mind, the person who is broke today can be rich tomorrow, and the person who is rich today can be broke tomorrow. It's all about your relationship with money. So I leave it here for now because it's a really quick video I would like to do. I'm in the studio, I'm doing other stuff, but for the time being, I left you with this small talk for today. It's a, wealthy reflection, okay? Just a little bit of information that I share with you that you will use to think and to take your life to the next level. I will see you on the next video with more in-depth about money. For the time being, enjoy this one and watch more video on my booster motivation. Thanks for watching.